Discover the secrets of the Sultan's court. Male concubines in Ottoman times. Contrary to popular belief, male concubines were seen as symbols of wealth, power, and masculinity in the Ottoman Empire. This practice, which involved keeping young boys and men as sexual partners at court, has roots in many ancient cultures. The stories of these concubines in the Ottoman Empire highlight a complex social dynamic. While male concubines were often celebrated, their lives were not without challenges. Despite some acceptance, there was still stigma. An infamous story involves two young Ottomans, Tayyib and Tahir, who were captured by Christians but treated well by their captors, leading to a complex and ultimately tragic relationship. Young, attractive, or talented boys and men were brought into the Ottoman court to serve the Sultan and his courtiers. The Ottoman appreciation for beauty and the arts made the presence of male concubines a common aspect of court life. The Ottoman Empire spanned Southeast Europe, Western Asia, and Northern Africa from the 14th to the early 20th centuries. Under rulers like Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, the empire reached its peak in culture, politics, and economy. Suleiman's legal reforms significantly influenced Ottoman law. The Ottomans did not categorize sexualities but differentiated between passive and active partners. Relationships were not based on sexual preference, and same-gender marriages were not legally recognized, despite a general tolerance for homosexual relationships. Initially, the Ottoman Empire tolerated homosexual relationships, and it was common for elites to have male concubines. However, societal changes and external influences gradually led to less acceptance of these relationships. The 18th century saw the Ottoman elite continue to engage in homosexual relationships discreetly. They created a system to maintain confidentiality, allowing older men to engage with young boys without public scrutiny. The Ottoman Penal Code revisions of 1858 marked a shift in attitudes, penalizing public homosexual acts. The government began to encourage violence against homosexuals, leading to increased discrimination and persecution. Western concepts of modernity and sexuality significantly impacted the Ottoman view of homosexual relationships. The introduction of these ideas changed societal attitudes, making previously accepted practices taboo. Tayyib and Tahir's story illustrates the complexities of love and societal norms. Captured by Christians, they and their captors developed a deep bond, defying religious and cultural expectations. Despite facing imprisonment, they pursued their love, even converting to Islam to be together. By the late 19th century, the prevalence of homosexual relationships in the Ottoman Empire declined sharply. Young women began to take on the roles once occupied by young men, marking a significant cultural shift. Ahmet Şevdet Pasha noted the decline in boy beloveds, suggesting a shift towards heterosexual norms. The story of Tayyib and Tahir serves as a testament to the complexities of love and societal expectations. The narrative invites reflection on the nature of love and acceptance throughout history.